Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Kevin with PC here in my kitchen in Gilbert, Arizona. I know I've been off for a little while, but I've just had a lot of life-changing events going on, and so I'm ready to get back in the kitchen and catch you all up with what's new with Pampered Chef. On September 22nd, I will be hosting Simply Brunch with Kevin here in my home. It'll be from 11 to 2. And if you are interested, please let me know if you'd like to come. If not, you can still shop online using my link, okay? This one is going to be a special party. If you want to take a look at what's going to be happening, I have a gift basket here of Pampered Chef products. It is worth over $200. And so for every $50 you spend, you will get a raffle ticket and you will go in for the drawing of this. 100% of the proceeds of the sales of this get-together I will be donating to the Cancer Support Community Arizona. Okay, so everything that you purchase and what I would receive in commission from the sales will be going to the Cancer Support Community Arizona. We have a new product here, which is a microwave pasta maker. Microwave pasta cooker, forgive me. This is also in the gift basket. It's a great product. I have not used it yet. I'm going to be making some pasta for us tonight in the video later down tonight. This product actually will be good for anyone who works in an office setting, school teachers, if you work in a call center, if you work at the airport, a college student in your dorms, flight attendants and gate agents as well. We all have access to microwaves and conventional ovens. This is heat resistant up to 450 degrees. It's freezer safe. You can use with boxed or dried pasta. It's not recommended that you use fresh pasta. A couple other notes on this is when you are using long pasta such as linguine or spaghetti, they recommend that you break the noodles in half and place them in the bowl in the shape of an X. And for softer pasta, you're going to add 2 more ounces of water and cook 2 minutes longer on the cook time. That is recommended. So I say let's get cooking, and I will be back with you in just a moment. Okay, we're back, and I'm actually going to be using the directions that come with the pasta cooker for the microwave. I'm going to be using some medium shells. This makes up to 2 servings. We're just going to do 1 serving. So 1 serving of the shells, you are going to use 2 ounces of pasta to 8 ounces of water, okay? And you can use your handy dandy Pampered Chef measuring cups to measure all that out. So let's get cooking, see what we can do. All right, 2 ounces. I love that it has all this in here. 2 ounces. 8 ounces water. It does say to stir it. I'm gonna put the lid on. And this is going to cook for 12 minutes, right in the microwave. Ready to go? See you in 12 minutes. Welcome back, everyone. It's been a long 12 minutes. We're ready for this. Remember, anything coming out of the microwave is going to be hot, so you want to use your pads, all right? All right. Now, if this doesn't turn out, then I don't know what to tell you, because this is my first time making this as well. All right, so we're gonna set this down, take the lid off. And throw those back in. Yeah, looks pretty good. All right, yeah, it is really hot, so. All right, can you get that in the sink there? Use your lid. No stick. Fancy schmancy. All right, strain that water. All right, now, who doesn't love macaroni and cheese? Okay, now remember I said this is so simple. A very simple meal. So how I make my macaroni and cheese just for myself, a little bit of heavy cream. All right, like a little bit. A little bit of butter. Whoop, right in there. Velveeta sells these wonderful little packets, enough for one. Probably not gonna use it all because I like my macaroni and cheese to be cheesy mac. So we'll see how this goes. Yeah. Can you hear Martine in the background, everyone? Yeah, we're gonna use the whole thing. Doesn't look good. It's not even done yet. And then I always like to add a little bit of mozzarella cheese or Colby Jack or sharp cheddar. I've got this all mixed together in one bag. That's what we're gonna put in here. All right. So far pretty easy, huh? Then I'm going to show you another product that goes right along with this. If it's too hot. These wonderful cozies. Fits right in, so you can just stir. Walk over to the couch. Getting some good shots of this. All right. And in 12 minutes, this is really hot. That is really good. 12-minute macaroni and cheese. Work, home, office, up in the air, on your layover, in your hotel room. If there's access to microwaves, wow, this is really good and cheesy. All right. This one is definitely a bon appetit moment, so bon appetit. Come back in just a few minutes and I'm gonna make some pasta with Alfredo and shrimp and asparagus in the microwave. See ya. Oh, sorry, didn't know we were on. Jerk. Okay, next dish, linguine. Again, it's 4 ounces. Pop that right in. 14 ounces of water. Put your handy dandy lid right back on there. So fast and easy, I love it already. All right. See you in 12.
Seeing it.
I could never hold my breath that long. I've tried.
What does she say with every breath or when she forgets to breathe?
That whole note, so she will. I can only get halfway through. I try. Because I want to be like her.
Just do a deep breath with your diaphragm. It's ready.
Are you really? How long have you been filming? You're a liar.
And now. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Go for it.
And we're back, 12 minutes. All right. Again, hot. Pop the lid in the sink. God, that is so easy. See how easy that is to cook and drain? Wow. I am truly impressed with this product. All right, one of my favorite dishes, and this, once again, you're gonna have lunch in, well, we're gonna say 15 minutes. 12 minutes on the pasta. Gonna add the Alfredo sauce. And you can just add Alfredo if that's all you wanna add. I, however, like to kick things up a bit, even though I'm simply Kevin. All right, we're gonna stir this in. God, this is a great product, Pampered Chef. Wow, I love it already. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, a little bit, a whole lot of pepper, because I like pepper, fresh ground. Once again, if you work in an office or you're in a reservation call center, flight attendant on a layover, or in the air, use the oven to cook your food. You can also cook it overnight, take it with you. And I love the fact that you can freeze it. All right, so I happen to have some leftover asparagus in my refrigerator, so I'm gonna add a little bit of that. And I have some shrimp. Who doesn't love shrimp Alfredo? Put that in there. All right, give it a stir. I'm gonna toss this back in the microwave for just a few minutes. We'll do 3 minutes. See you in 3. All right, welcome back to Simply Kevin. We're going to try this dish. I'm gonna pop it right in the cozy. I love the name for that, cozy, because you can just take it and go get cozy on the couch, right? All right, so I added Alfredo sauce to my linguine. I added some shrimp and some asparagus. And in 15 minutes, you have got a great lunch or dinner. All right. I'm loving this product already. I do have to say, that is another Bon Appetit moment with Simply Kevin. All right, so just for a recap, this is Pampered Chef's new pasta microwave cooker, but it doesn't have to just be pasta. You can cook other things in there, like let's say quinoa, oatmeal, grits, anything up to 2 servings. Again, it's heat resistant, or you can heat it up to 450 degrees in your microwave, convention or conventional oven. It's great for take along. I'm gonna add a little bit of cheddar Parmesan to this and take another bite. This is super good. Again, for those of you who I have not met, I would love to meet you all. Again, my event, Simply Brunch with Kevin, September 22nd here in my home from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. I will be featuring this wonderful product along with, wait for it, Pampered Chef also has come out with some new micro cookers. We've got 3 different sizes. They now have clear lids. And I will be featuring those as well. Again, the gift basket, for every $50 you spend, you will get a raffle ticket and go into the drawing for that. So once again, I thank you for joining Simply Kevin here in my kitchen in Gilbert, Arizona. And So good. Bon appetit. See ya.